Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flora, Plant ID and Diagnosis app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Flora is an AI-powered plant identification and diagnosis app designed to help gardeners, plant enthusiasts, and professionals quickly identify plant species and detect common plant health issues. The app uses advanced image recognition technology to analyze photos of plants, providing detailed identification and actionable care advice. Users can also access a comprehensive plant database, get recommendations for treatment of diseases or pests, and track plant health over time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Flora's interface user-friendly and appreciate the speed and accuracy of its plant identification feature. The diagnostic tools are helpful for detecting common problems like fungal infections or nutrient deficiencies, making it easier to maintain healthy plants. The app's database and care tips also support users with practical guidance for plant maintenance. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional inaccuracies in disease detection or difficulty identifying less common plant species. The free version offers basic identification, but unlocking full diagnostic features and detailed care instructions requires a subscription, which may be a consideration for casual users. In summary, the Flora app may be worth using if you want a quick and convenient way to identify plants and manage plant health with AI assistance. However, if you need highly detailed diagnostics or prefer fully free tools, it might not completely satisfy your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.